If you want to enable or disable comments on TikTok videos, you can follow this step. So TikTok allows you to control who can comment on your posts, whether it be everyone, friends only, or no one at all. Here's the process how you can manage it. First of all, launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you have launched your TikTok app, you can create a video tapping on the plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a video, or you can upload your video or record a video from your gallery. Also, you can navigate to your profile and go for the draft icon, and here you can select the one of the draft that you want to post. After that, you can go for the next option. Once you are on your next option, you can select the more option here. Once you are on your more option here, you can see the allow comment. You have to simply toggle this off. After toggling this off, you can post this video. So this way you can easily enable or disable the comments on TikTok from your post. Also, you can navigate to your profile page again. Once you are on your profile page, you have to tap on the three line or hamburger option here, which is on the top right corner of the screen, and tap on the setting and privacy. Once you are on your setting and privacy here, you have to just tap on the privacy here. Once you are on your privacy, you can see the interaction option and you can see the comment option below that. Once you are on your comment option, you can see the allow comment form. You have to just tap on that. And here you can see that you can tap on everyone, friend or no one. You can select here. You can select the option here. So you will see the option to control who can comment on your post. After making your choice, your comment setting will be updated here. So this way you can easily manage and control who can comment on your TikTok. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.